Now let us discuss about variables in C. So generally whenever you want to store some data, okay, you will start creating some variables in programming, right? So let us suppose I want to store an integer value. So let us create an integer variable and store that data, for example 100. Okay, now let us display the same data here. X is equal to percentage d is a control string associated with integer, and then I'm displaying x value. So what this exactly perform is, first I'm creating a variable called x and storing a value of 100 inside this x, and then displaying x value. Okay, so let's execute this and see the result. You can see x is equal to 100. For example, if I want to display the address of x, you can also display the address of the x, because every variable will have a memory location and the memory location will have an address. Okay, so percentage u slash n address of x. So ampersand is the symbol used for representing address. So address of x. Let's execute this. You can observe x is a variable and its value is 100, and this address of x is this one. Okay, now similarly whenever you want to create a floating point variable, you can create, let us suppose float y is equal to, okay, suppose 7.86. So whenever you want to store this decimal values, you have to make use of floating point variable and store it. Okay, so y is the floating point variable and I'm storing 7.86 inside this variable y. Okay, so let us display this y value. For example, printf y is equal to, so for floating point values we have to use control string as percentage f. Okay, and then display this y value. Later, now you can use address to display its corresponding address. So address of y is equal to percentage u slash n address of y. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. So you can observe x is equal to 100, address of x is this one, and then y is equal to 7.860000, address of y is okay, this one. So this is how you can access address and the content of the variable directly. Okay, now for example, if I want to store a character, then I can store with the help of character data type and create a variable under character data type and start storing any character. Let us suppose capital A is the character that I wanted to store. Now similarly I will display this particular character, okay, saying that ch is equal to, and the control string associated with the character data type is percentage %c, and start displaying this one ch. Okay, now you can display the address of ch. Address of ch is equal to percentage u slash n address of ch. Now let's run this code and see the result. So you can observe this is x value, then address of x is displayed, later y value, address of y is displayed, and then ch is equal to a, and then address of ch is displayed. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay,